I think your opinion is so important to understand. So, Paul, would you mind answering that question?
Sure, and I completely agree with everything Helene has said. I would just add that it's actually not that complicated. In terms of a solution that's delivered to a customer, you need someone to build the solution, someone to sell the solution, someone to deploy it, and someone to maintain it. And all of the partner-to-partner activity has to be across those 4 simple stages. And different partner combinations provide different elements of that, but they all have to add up to that. But I would agree that having to define a market opportunity in terms of business challenges by customers and why they would spend money to buy a joint solution is a critical element of that. And the value proposition has to be compelling to the customer and to each other, each of the partners. It's also really important that each partner actually needs the assets of the other. And if they ask themselves, would I get this customer, secure this customer, if I didn't have the other partner? And the answer is no. That means they're partnering well. And like Helene said, partnering mindset is really important, but also trust, and trust in terms of engaging over a period of time, agreeing to work with each other, committing to each other, and not breaking that commitment, and not always taking, also giving, and not always winning. Maybe sometimes winning less is okay, but it needs to be a longer term mindset. Otherwise, it becomes very ad hoc and transactional. So what I find that what puzzles me is when partners get together and they don't set each other's expectations correctly. They don't define the roles and responsibilities of each other, and therefore they're like this when it actually goes when they go to market and engage with customers. The other consideration is culture, and it doesn't have to be international culture. It can be the culture of the company. And if you're looking to bring on board hard-charging hunters, and the partner has a farmer kind of mentality, it's not going to work. It's going to fail. And so culture is very important. And then finally the commitment, and with commitment comes planning to invest and do things together that are very specific for mutual benefit.